Today's lesson is about constructing squares. And one thing to notice about squares is that their diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other, right? So if we connect the corners of the square where these dotted lines are, they're perpendicular to each other and they cut each other in half, or are perpendicular bisectors. So we're going to use that construction to help us figure out how to construct a square in a circle. So remember, inscribed means in a circle, just looking back, right? This one's not inscribed. These are all inscribed. So we're going to do this today. We're going to put a square in a circle. All right, so let's go to the notes and see how we would do it. So the first thing you need to do is draw a diameter, which is actually going to end up being one of the diagonals of the square. So we need a line going all the way through the circle. So I'm going to draw a line, right, from A. And no matter where I put this point, as long as it's on the circle, I'll get a diameter. So it doesn't matter. I'll do it, whatever, here. Oh, I feel like I missed. Let me try again. Boom. Now, that's one point on the circle. There's another point over here. So if I make the perpendicular bisector, let's see what happens. So I'm going to make a perpendicular bisector through A. Make a line through A. Now, if we look, there's 4 points on this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we connect them, we get a square. So make sure you write those steps down, and then you could practice them. But basically, you just need a line through your circle for the diameter, and then you bisect those 2 points. Using our construction for perpendicular bisector, we draw on that line, and then the 4 points on the circle end up making your square. So we're really making the diagonals, and then we connect those to make the square. So there's a couple examples to try to practice. I'll do one more. If they have the diameter already, awesome, that's easy. Just got to bisect it. Make a line. So it connects here to here. And then we want to use the 4 points on the circle. So 1A, that one, C, and that one. Bam. And then if you don't have a diameter, we want to just make sure we draw it in first. So draw in a diameter using a line and then a point on the circle. So good luck on that cool down. I feel like this one's actually pretty easy, and it's our last construction of the unit.